Hi, today we're at the Chantilly National Golf and Country Club for the annual Putting for Pets golf contest for the Fairfax County Animal Shelter. As the sponsor, we have a full day. Golfers register, they come in and we have a great goodie bag, and then there is the opportunity to be raffle, 50-50 or a mulligan. Then we have a putting contest and then a shotgun start.
A lot of people don't realize that the county doesn't fund the entirety of the Fairfax County Animal Shelter. The Friends provides a little over 25% of the annual budget for the shelter. So this is our biggest fundraising event of the year, and the turnout has just been amazing.
The sponsors we've built up over the years, they've grown to really appreciate the organization and appreciate what the shelter does, and they wanted to be part of that community involvement.
Well, I think it's great, not only to see so many people come out here today to support our volunteers and support our Friends group, but, I think it's indicative of the county that we live in, people who care not just for each other, but care about homeless animals and making sure that we're always taking steps in the county to promote community and to celebrate our volunteers and support our nonprofit groups.
If you want to find out more about Friends or how to donate, you could go to our website. We're also on Facebook, and we have Instagram as well.